Hi friends, welcome to Unique Design. I hope you are safe from COVID. Please stay safe, keep your family safe, please keep your community safe. While working in AutoCAD, we will do lot of settings and also we will change the default settings of the software to get a better performance in AutoCAD. Sometimes when you open a corrupt drawing, it will corrupt our AutoCAD settings also. If you are facing this problem, you are in the right place. Please stay with me till the end. First, I will show you how to take the backup of our AutoCAD settings. First, we need to close all our opened AutoCAD softwares. Next, go to the Start menu and here scroll down and go for your software folder. Here you will get Export AutoCAD Settings. If you are using Windows 7, I have given a folder path in the description. You can use that to reach this folder. Directly click on that. Here click on Export and specify the destination folder and click on Save. I have saved that backup on the desktop. Now you will get this. Your migration package has been successfully saved. Then click on OK. Now you have successfully taken the settings backup of current software. Now I will show you how to restore these settings. Again, go to the Start menu. Go to the AutoCAD folder. Here you will get Import AutoCAD Settings. Click on that and go to the folder. I'll go to the desktop. I'll select Settings Backup folder. It is a zip folder. Click on Open. It will take some time to process the data. Your migration package has been successfully imported. Now the settings backup is successfully imported. After that you will get this window. Just close that. Now I will show you how to reset the settings. Go to the Start menu and again go to the folder. Here you will get Reset Settings to Default. Directly click on that. It will ask to take the backup. If you don't want to take the backup, directly click on this Reset Custom Settings. Now the original settings of AutoCAD English has been successfully resetted. Just click on OK. Now it will open the software. I don't want to open the software. I will just stop opening the software. Now I will show you how to migrate the settings from the previous releases. Go to the Start menu and go to the AutoCAD folder. Here you will get Migrate from a previous release. Here we are having some limitation. First one is, while installing a new software, we should not uninstall the older one. Then only we can restore those settings to the new releases of AutoCAD. Second one, this migration can be done with the same language software and also same version of softwares. That means from AutoCAD LT to AutoCAD LT, AutoCAD Mechanical to AutoCAD Mechanical, AutoCAD Electrical to AutoCAD Electrical. It is not possible from AutoCAD LT to AutoCAD Mechanical or AutoCAD Mechanical to AutoCAD Electrical. These are the limitation of migrating settings from the previous releases. Just click on that. Now I don't have any AutoCAD older releases of software, so it is showing like this. So this is not possible because I have not kept the old AutoCAD software. I have already uninstalled that, so I am not able to migrate the settings from that older releases to my new AutoCAD. So you have to keep the older version and you have to install the new version. Then you can easily migrate the settings from older releases to latest release. I hope these informations are very useful for all AutoCAD users.
Thank you for watching till the end. Still you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get a best information about AutoCAD. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.